Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to join Crypto.com loyalty program and earn money with referrals. So let's get started. First, visit the Crypto.com website or open the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. If you do not have an account yet, click sign up and complete the registration process by entering your email, creating a password and following the verification steps. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Navigate to the rewards or loyalty section. Here you can explore various loyalty programs offered by Crypto.com such as earning CRO tokens through staking, cashback or purchases and more. To earn money through referrals, go to the Refer and Earn section. You'll find your unique referral code link here. Copy your referral link and share it with your friends, family, or social media followers. When someone signs up using your link and completes the required actions, both you and your referral rewards. For example, you can earn a referral bonus in CRO tokens when your referred friend stakes a certain amount of CRO or makes a qualifying transaction. You can track your referral earnings and status in the referral section of your account. And that's it. Joining the Crypto.com loyalty program and earning money through referrals is simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips and guides. See you in next video.